Hi, in this video, I will be showing one of the easiest possible way to fix the problem of automatic repair loop, or sometimes called infinite booting. This fix may also work for other similar issues you might be experiencing with Windows 10 system. As you can see, this laptop gets to this point where it shows Windows logo and a continuous spinning animator. Now there might be several possible reasons why you are experiencing this problem. One of the reasons might be that Windows have recently installed some application or certain updates which it finds incompatible with software distribution. The other reasons could be that you might have installed some third-party application that causing the issue, or you may have made certain changes to the system settings. In such case, all you have to do is boot your PC in safe mode and revert the change you think is causing the issue. So without any further delay, let's get started and try fix this laptop. To boot the Windows in safe mode, I'm going to hard reset this laptop 3 times, and that would automatically force Windows to boot in safe mode. But the first thing I would want to make sure is that the laptop is plugged into the AC power adapter, so it won't power off during this process. To hard reload a computer or laptop, you can press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds or until the PC is powered off. Once the laptop is powered off, press the power button to turn it back on. Repeat these steps 3 times and you should see a screen like this, where message says, "Diagnosing your PC," or "Attempting repairs." You may see this screen first or second time you hard reload your system, if you have force powered it off previously. At this point, Windows is trying to repair itself, and if the automatic repair is successful, Windows will boot normally. Otherwise you should see this screen saying that automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Here you would have 2 options, shutdown and advanced options. Click on the advanced options. And then troubleshoot. Here, choose and click on advanced options to get to the advanced options page. Because we want to change the boot or startup options, choose and click on startup options. And finally click restart to get access to all startup options. Wait for the Windows to get restarted. Upon restart you will see this blue screen, the startup settings page. To enable safe mode and to start our Windows in safe mode from here, press F4 or 4 key on your keyboard. And you should see the Windows is restarting. This time Windows should automatically boot in safe mode. Once in safe mode, you can simply go to Add or Remove Programs, and from there you can uninstall any recently updated or installed application you think might be causing the boot problem. When in safe mode, you can also revert the system settings that you changed recently, and you suspect might be the cause. Now to exit the safe mode and to set your system to normal boot for next time, go to the system configuration. Go to Boot tab and uncheck the Safe Mode option, and click Apply and OK. Now click the Restart to restart your Windows. Wait for Windows to get restarted, and this time your computer should boot in normal mode. Hope this would help solve your Windows startup problem. Check our other video on solving similar issues and how to factory reset your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.